Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your headphones SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2. When you listen to music or watching the movie, you don't need to use your phone, we have controls at the headphones. At the bottom of your right headphone, right here we have it. So with it you can play or pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can volume control, you can call voice assistant or enable or disable game mode. You cannot modify these controls, but I guess it's okay what we have. Then you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer presets. You need to open Peats audio application. Of course your headphones should be connected with the app. Then it will open for you the headphones menu, but if you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones. If your headphones connected with the phone, then click at the equalizer line at the equalizer button at the middle bottom. So right here we have a lot of presets what SOUNDPEATS offer for us, but you can also use a custom preset. It's up to you. You can change it here if you want to, or adaptive equalizer, but you need to set up it. So if you don't know how, at this channel we have video how to set up adaptive equalizer, so you can check it if you don't know. And you can use it. Next, as I said, these headphones have a game mode, and it's a good one when you play games, but I don't recommend it to use this mode all the time, because with the game mode you may have connection instability. So when you play games you can enable it, you can use the application to enable it or disable it, or control. Next, these headphones have dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your headphones simultaneously at the same time. But you need to enable it in the application. You just tap on it and wait a bit. These headphones should reconnect to your phone, and then you can connect the second device. And again, if you don't know how to do this, at this channel we have video about it. Okay, now is it reconnected? Yes, and now you can connect it. The next trick is only for Android devices, that these headphones support LDAC. What mean high resolution audio codecs? Why for Android devices? Because Apple devices doesn't support LDAC or another high resolution audio codecs like IPTX, LC3, LHDC or LDAC, as I said. And to enable it or disable DAC, firstly your phone should support this codec also, and you can enter into developer options and enable or disable it. If you don't know how to enable or disable DAC, also you can check video at this channel. Next, I tested the microphone at these headphones, and these headphones have really good microphone. I hear myself clearly when I spoke normally without background sounds. My voice wasn't distorted. The same when I spoke softly. I hear myself clearly, my voice wasn't distorted, and the best one, that this microphone mutes street sounds, so you can easily use it at the street. Now, if you have some problem with your headphones, you can easily perform a factory reset. You need to connect your headphones to the power, then press and hold multifunctional button, what located between volume control buttons, until the LED light blinked white and red, and then you need to only reconnect them with the phone. If you still don't know how to perform it, you can check a video at this channel, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!